Thank you. Thank you, TWF, for organizing this wonderful event. And thank you for giving us this opportunity to present about our organization as well as this case study on modular machines. So, some of you may be knowing about us, but on want of someone's like you may not be knowing about our organization. So we are Titan Engineering and Automation Limited. It's a 100% subsidiary of the well-renowned brand Titan Company Limited. So, and we are a Tata Group company. So the Titan, which everybody knows, the watch company, we belong to the same group. And the Tanishq as well as the Titan I+. So these are all the brand icons in the retail segment. The fourth is our business, which we started in 2004. It's completely into B2B and engineering. Probably that is one of the reasons that many of you may not be knowing, unless in the core manufacturing sector in automotive. So we are also part of Titan, but as a 100% subsidiary of Titan. In Titan Engineering and Automation Limited, we have two business verticals. So one is into automation solutions. So here we offer complete turnkey assembly line and testing solutions for various industry segments like transportation, energy, medical, engineering and consumer products. Similarly, we have another business vertical within TEAL, which is into aerospace and defense domain. They are into completely contract manufacturing. As per the drawing, as per the customer components, they manufacture the parts and supply to aerospace and defense industry. It's more or less like 95% export and 5% for the Indian defense or aerospace industry. And recently they are also exploring the semiconductor segment. So about the automation business, I belong to the automation business and responsible for the sales and business development of automation business. So here we have our headquarters in Hosur, near our watch plant, established in 2004. And we also have a branch office in Germany, looking after the Europe opportunities. Close to 650 plus employees we have, and 350K square feet shop floor space we have for the assembly and testing of the equipments. We have all the necessary certifications that is required in our business. Close to 150 plus clients we have served so far from 2004 till date, and installed around 800 plus projects, and also exported our lines to various countries, mostly in Europe and few in Mexico as well as in Asia. And we have service partners in 8 countries. So what we do, basically we are, as I told, we are into the business of turnkey assembly line and testing solutions. So our customer approaches us. The left-hand side, whatever say is the product design and ownership is from our customer. So we offer them a turnkey line, which will be either automatic or semi-automatic or manual, depending upon the volume requirement from the customer. It can be either a robotic-based solution or it can be gantry-based, depending upon the level of automation and the various technologies like vision systems, sensor-based, RFID-based tracking like this. So we build a complete turnkey solution and help the customers to mass manufacture their products. The product design and the assembly technology comes from the customer. They are the owners of that, and their engineers develop and design the parts. So this is basically the business what we are into. So this is also another example of fully automatic assembly of a they call HVAC. It's a distributor module of an HVAC where some 23 robots assemble all the plastic parts of the HVAC. So here we also used some 3D vision cameras to guide the robots to assemble these parts together to make it as a complete product. So this is basically the business what we are into. Yeah. So now coming to the subject of today, the EV segment. So we are also last 4 years working very closely with the EV market in India as well as global. In India, especially with the two-wheeler industry, and also in lot of electronics products of the four-wheeler segment. So these are all some of the products for which we have given solutions in terms of assembly and testing, like battery packs, motors, power modules, DC-DC converters, onboard chargers, inverters, and e-motors, e-axles. So what we could see, the market dynamics, especially from India in two-wheeler side, is the product is getting evolved. So there is concurrent engineering happening from the design side, from the product side, but at the same time, the manufacturing also should happen so that they can be the first runner in the market. And the consumer behavior is also changing because some of them prefer the swappable battery, some of them need fixed battery, some of them need a long range or short range, as we were discussing in the morning in the panel discussion. And there are technology changes are also happening parallelly. Whether in chemistry of the batteries or in the processes required to manufacture the battery packs, like resistance welding or laser welding, like this, various technology changes are also happening and evolving. But at the same time, everybody want to launch their products and capture the market. There are a lot of competitions coming, not only there are already large major OEMs, as well as there are many startups and new companies coming into this forum. And there are government policies also changing time to time, which is also creating a lot of dynamics in this market. So these are all broadly the major challenges which we captured when we discussed with various customers in manufacturing perspective. Definitely these manufacturing lines need high initial, the capex will be very high. But at the same time, since there is concurrent engineering is happening, manufacturing process is changing, we should be able to use the existing machine. We cannot scrap the machines when the technology changes or process is changing. Similarly, scaling up, initial investments, because since they are not sure about the market volume, they want to keep the investments minimal, but at the same time, suppose the market is picking up for their product, they need to quickly ramp up the lines and deliver the product. Then model change, there are some new models will be definitely introduced to accommodate that changes in the existing line. The line should be feasible to accommodate those changes. And once again, in earlier time, the model changes, when it is happening, there will be a lot of time available to introduce those models into the manufacturing line. But currently, the expectation is it should be done in some shorter period of 2 to 4 weeks time. So these are all broadly the changes which we captured when we discussed with various customers. So considering these aspects, we came up to the modular solution where, like a Lego block, we can move the machines and fix the machines in the assembly lines such a way that the factors are addressed, like adaptability, standardization, scalability, and also in this process not compromising on the quality and reliability, and the quick delivery. So this is what we felt that can address this emerging market in EV space as well as in the auto electronic space. So how it is helpful in first into the adaptability. For example, this is, let us say, the machine has been designed and manufactured for plasma cleaning, plasma treatment. The same machine can be used for a different process like dispensing or tightening, just by replacing the process equipment alone. The remaining machine structure, everything remains same. So the adaptability and modularity is brought not only in the hardware structure but also into the software. So just by changing the process equipment, and selecting in the display system, the entire machine can adapt the new process. Similarly, we can replace that with the tightening equipment. So this helps in case tomorrow, based on the new design or new product design, they want to change the equipment, it is possible. Then coming to the scalability, so let us say X is the battery packs per day required with the certain modular machines, whatever I had shown. Now, because of this scalability, they need to go for 2X. It is easily feasible by inserting new stations into the existing lines. This can be done in maximum of 2 to 3 weeks without disturbing the existing production. Similarly, if you want to go for a 3X volume, few more stations can be added. The same line can be enhanced to produce for 3X volume. So this kind of scalability is also possible in this concept. So this will help to expand as you grow. So just one example of a similar concept of a battery pack line, and where this various processes helps in like cell sorting and modular concepts for various assembly technologies like plasma cleaning and resistance welding, so dispensing, like this. So entire process equipments remain same, as well as the processes also can be interchanged. Similarly, in terms of auto electronics, same scalability and adaptability we can bring into this auto electronics products also, like DC-DC converter, inverters, DC boosters everywhere. So one example of same inverter line, what we did, where similar modular machines, close to some 70 plus stations are there, where this electronics products assembly can be done in a flexible way and in a scalable way. So there are dispensing, same tightening, same. So because when we studied, there are certain processes, it is getting repeated in these lines. So which will help the customer to scale in a faster manner when the product or the technology is changing. So this is like a plasma cleaning, same process of plasma cleaning, then riveting, then dispensing, tightening. So all are modular, only the equipments can be changed depending on the volume. So thank you. So what we want to emphasize is to considering this emerging market and the changing products and technology, we felt this modular concepts is what will help the customers to scale up quickly, as well as use the existing technology and the machines. Thank you.